Unless you've been living under a literal rock for the last couple of months, you've probably heard about YouTube automation. I run several faceless YouTube accounts, earning me over $155,000 every month from ad revenue alone, not to mention all the other income streams I've built up through the accounts. After watching this video, you'll have everything you need to make your first $10,000 a month on YouTube. I'm talking about everything from setting up your first account to creating high-quality shorts with AI, and finally how to automate your entire production workflow. The other day I was browsing Discord and found this one mysterious developer. It turns out he's building the craziest AI tool to create shorts. It's never been revealed on YouTube. I'm absolutely thrilled to be sharing this with all of you because I truly believe it has incredible potential and can make a huge impact. Here's what you'll be able to create with one single mouse click, and of course, it's 100% monetizable. The first step to making money is obviously setting up your YouTube account. I won't dive too deep into this since it's a simple process, just follow YouTube's steps. It only takes a minute or two, but I thought I'd give you some quick tips, so I wrote a checklist of things you should do to make sure your YouTube account is set up correctly. Now, let's get into the part you've all been waiting for: how to create AI videos that will get you accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and start earning real money. As I mentioned earlier, the AI tool I'm going to show you is still relatively unknown on YouTube. It was released a few weeks ago, and I've been using it to automate several channels, bringing in money each month. Before starting, here is a short part of YouTube Short you can check.
Did you know about the time when a U.S. town was invaded by rabbits? This crazy situation occurred in the small town of St. Olaf, Iowa.
To start off, it's important to understand how this tool called ShortX works. It's a custom-built system that brings together various AI processes to help create a video. These processes include voiceovers, script writing, editing, and everything else needed to make a professional-looking video. But what truly sets ShortX apart are three key things that make it special. First, it is completely automated. The only thing you'll need to do is press one button, and the tool will handle everything from start to finish. You won't need to lift a finger beyond that, and you'll end up with a fully finished video. Second, each video is completely unique, and best of all, these videos are fully monetizable on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Finally, unlike many other AI tools that tend to produce low-quality, dull videos, ShortX delivers high-quality, engaging content that is actually fun to watch. I know I've teased you long enough, so let me finally show you how this tool works. As mentioned earlier, it's called ShortX. To get started, simply head over to the website I've linked in the description, create an account, and you'll be good to go. Once you're inside the tool, just go to the automation library and choose any random template to get started. Don't worry, this isn't the only type of video you can make. I'll show you later how to create your own template so you can use this tool for any niche you're interested in. Once you click on a template, you'll see a variety of different settings. For example, there's an option to use a pre-made prompt which will generate the video script for you. But if you prefer, you can also use your own prompt or simply paste in a script you've already written. It's flexible like that. All of ShortX's script generation is powered by GPT-3.5, but when I create my videos, I often use GPT-4 and ChatGPT to generate my scripts for the highest possible quality. It's not a huge difference, but hey, why not go for the best? I know that getting ChatGPT to write really good scripts can be a bit tricky at times. Here's a quick bonus tip: when it comes to scripting, make sure to provide clear instructions about the desired length of the script. This will save you time and help avoid unnecessary regenerations. Now, if you move one tab to the right in the tool, you'll find all the settings for image generation. If you want a specific look or style for your images, you can select the custom image style option and then insert your own custom prompts to get the exact results you're aiming for. Now, if we move on to the next section, this is where you can select the AI voice for your video. If I click on the tab here, you'll see that there are two options available. On one hand, you have some lower quality voices that are more affordable. These voices can be used if you're on a budget, but they won't provide the best audio experience. On the other hand, at the bottom of the list, you'll find the 11 Labs voices, which are truly top-notch. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I use 11 Labs for basically every one of my channels. Honestly, there's no other AI voiceover service that compares to it in terms of quality and realism. It really makes a difference in the final product. For this video, I'm going to choose the voice named Clyde because I really like how it sounds. It has a natural tone that fits perfectly with the kind of content I create, making it much more engaging for viewers. So let's go ahead and select Clyde for this project. Now, I don't want to drag this out too much, but all the way to the right you have pretty much all the settings that determine how your video looks. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll do some small changes to make the video look like I wanted to sum it up. You can change the subtitling, remove these. White particles change the transition speed. stop the wobble effect, and actually this is pretty handy. You get to choose music that is copyright and royalty free, so you don't have to do that manually after the video is done. Now that everything is perfect, I'll press the Run Automation button. You can see the system starting all these little AI processes to create the video. It will probably take a minute, so I'll fast forward a bit to save you some time. All right, it's done.
Did you know about the time when a U.S. town was invaded by rabbits? This crazy situation occurred in the small town of St. Olaf, Iowa in 1876. The town faced an invasion of rabbits that almost seems like something out of a storybook. Initially, the rabbits were a minor nuisance, but as their numbers grew exponentially, it became a significant.
And as I mentioned before, they are of course 100% monetizable. This is because they're not just regular slideshows. It's got transitions and other effects, which helps differentiate it from all other AI content on YouTube. The next step is pretty much just to upload the actual video on YouTube. As you can see, ShortX also generates an appropriate title and description. Now, this might be a little bit controversial, but I wouldn't spend too much time on using the right tag and stuff like that. I prefer to let the algorithm do its own thing so that it can push your content and try different audiences. This is also very important when you're about to post your second short. Make sure to choose your other short here so that it recommends your video when the viewer has watched one of them. By now, you should pretty much be done and have posted your first video. Congratulations. The most important thing you need to know if you want to make serious money with this strategy is that you must understand how to use these AI tools the right way. You won't earn $10,000 a month by just posting clips like this on one YouTube channel. People think this is a get-rich-quick method, but it's not. You need to be smart if you want to make good money. So let's think about it. What are the benefits of using AI? Why would anyone choose to use it? First of all, using AI is cheap. If you use tools like ShortX or other websites, you can easily make videos for around $1 to $3 each. On the other hand, if you hired a team of editors, voiceover artists, and scriptwriters, each short would cost up to $50, which is really hard to afford when you're just starting out. Second, creating videos with AI saves time, which is exactly what you want to take advantage of. The video quality may not be as high as a $50 human-made video, but you can compete by producing more videos. Use this simple production process to your advantage. That's pretty much a given. But wait, I've got one last secret tip that only the true masterminds know, including myself. Since we're using AI, you can easily combine these tools to create fully automated systems. Imagine a solution that allows you to bulk create shorts with the same quality as those made by ShortX, and a system that automatically uploads them to TikTok and YouTube. Now that's perfection. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you're serious about making money on YouTube with AI, don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips, strategies, and game-changing tools like ShortX. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below if you want to see that fully automated YouTube Shorts channel tutorial. Remember, every like and comment helps push this content to more people, so let's keep this momentum going. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start building your digital empire today. Catch you in the next one.